In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating evolution from typewriters to laptops. Once the cornerstone of communication, typewriters paved the way for the sleek, multifunctional laptops we rely on today. As we delve into this journey, we'll highlight how technological advancements have transformed the way we connect. Plus, for our older viewers, we'll evoke some nostalgia, reminiscing about the satisfying clack of keys and the smell of fresh ink. The invention of the typewriter in the 1870s revolutionized writing, making it faster and more accessible. Key models like the Remington #1 introduced features such as the QWERTY keyboard, setting the standard for future designs. Throughout the 20th century, typewriters became cultural icons, symbolizing professionalism and creativity. They empowered writers, journalists, and everyday people, leaving an indelible mark on communication and shaping the way we express ideas. The transition from typewriters to laptops began with early models like the Osborne One, which introduced portability to computing. Today, laptops offer unparalleled convenience and versatility, allowing us to write, edit, and communicate seamlessly. With features like internet connectivity and multimedia capabilities, laptops have transformed how we work and connect, enabling collaboration across distances and fostering creativity in ways that typewriters could only dream of. Technological innovations have significantly boosted the rise of laptops, with advancements in computing power and portability leading the charge. The introduction of lightweight materials and powerful processors made laptops more accessible. The internet further enhanced functionality, enabling instant communication and cloud storage. Compared to typewriters, laptops offer a smoother typing experience with features like spell check and backlighting, making writing more efficient and enjoyable for users everywhere. Typewriters evoke a deep sense of nostalgia for older generations, reminding them of a time when writing was a tactile, deliberate process. In contrast, laptops captivate tech enthusiasts with their sleek designs and endless capabilities. As we explore these emotional connections, we encourage you to reflect on your own experiences with both devices. What memories do typewriters bring back, and how do laptops shape your daily life today? In summary, we've explored the fascinating evolution from typewriters to laptops, highlighting their significance in shaping communication. Both historical and modern innovations deserve our appreciation, as they reflect our changing relationship with technology. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more engaging content. Let's continue to celebrate the tools that connect us across generations.